Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to unblock contact on Bumble. Now if you think they are not a perfect match and they are a bit irritating and they are just nonchalant and they keeps on irritating you, and if you want to block them, then this is the video for you. So keep watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to block a contact on Bumble, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Now you need to simply connect to Wi-Fi on your device. So after connecting Wi-Fi, make sure that you have installed the Bumble app on your device. So after that, you need to simply open Bumble on your device, and this is the landing page of Bumble, where you will see various options on the profile. On the bottom taskbar, like profile, for you, people, liked you, or chat. Now if you want to block someone, then you need to go on the option of chat, where you will be talking with the person who has liked you or not. Now if you want to block them on Bumble, so click on the profile. After that, you will see the profile, so you need to scroll down until you see the option of unmatch and report. By doing this, you will be able to access the block option, or you may also click on the three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of unmatch or unmatch and report. Now by doing this, you will be able to unmatch and report it to the Bumble, or you may easily block it the person by doing the steps shown in the video. So that's it. That's how you can block contact on Bumble. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.